Hello students, welcome to Greenfield School and College online classes. Today's class, I am giving you some sample CQ questions on chapter 10, and also I am discussing the exercise portion of the chapter. So just stay tuned with me. Let's continue the class. At first, I'm gonna discuss the exercise part of your chapter, CQ questions. There are two questions in the end of the chapter. In chapter 10, mainly we just know about the assistantship of the different type of organization, private and public organization, which those organizations just helping the new entrepreneurs and existing entrepreneurs to set up new business or expansion of the existing business. So these organizations, these assistances are very much important for setting up the business for businessmen. Mainly board questions, the questions which is very much important for your board exam, and I'm discussing just those sample questions, and just don't depend on fully in yeah, on these questions. You have to follow the test papers, you have to follow the other colleges, important school and colleges questions, and other board excluding Dhaka. Today I am just discussing the 2017, 18, 19 questions on this chapter. So first exercise question, first one is Mr. Mehraj did not want to establish and operate a business considering the risk and complexity associated with it, but after hearing about the government and non-government assistances, he established garments factory at Shawar near Dhaka. He became successful within short time with the help of his hard work and sincerity. Recently, it has become difficult for him to sustain because of his competitors using high quality technology. That means Mr. Mehraj at first not interested, wanted to set up a business, but also fear of some risk, fear of some complexities, but after hearing some assistances, government and non-government assistances, he finally established the garments factory at near Dhaka. So first question is, what is the percentage of women in the total population of Bangladesh? A total population, 50% of the total population of Bangladesh is women. Then what is the main job of BSIC? Explain. BSIC means Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation. The main task of BSIC is to mainly provide advice for the development of small and cottage industries, and at present, BSIC has been working for mainly assisting the development of the small and cottage industries, providing several information, providing establishing information, providing the infrastructural help. Also helps to provide financial information for a new businessman, new entrepreneurs, and also it is helping the registration process of the farm or business. So these are the main job of BSIC at present time, and this corporation is working under the Ministry of Industry. So you know that this is the main functions or main job of BSIC, and you from the chapter you get the clear point, the different other points of the functions of BSIC. So for 2 marks, just write down main functions of the BSIC. Then number C, why Mr. Mehraj become interested to set up the garment industry? Explain. Mr. Mehraj become Mr. Mehraj became interested to set up the garment industry because he thought that he will get public or private assistances, and you know that starting a new business or industry is a creative thing and structural job, and risk, there is very much risk when you setting up a new industry. So various type of assistances are necessary for starting the business, and also you have to you need some motivational factor, motivational assistances from different organizations, so that we can tell that Mr. Mehraj also needed some assistances. We know there are three types of assistance: supportive assistance, preserving assistance, and motivational assistances. So Mehraj needs all motivational assistance as well as supportive assistance at first, and knowing the different type of assistance provided by the government and non-government organization, knowing it, after knowing it, he wanted to he started the factory. So in the stem we find that Mr. Mehraj has at first not wanted to come forward to take initiative establishing a factory, but after knowing about all the assistantship which is providing by the different government and non-government organizations, then he became inspired and wanted started set up a new industry, new factory. So that is why Mr. Mehraj become interested in set up a garment industry. In one line you can say that knowing about all the assistantship providing by the government and non-government organizations, he became interested to set up the garment industry. Then you will explain it, and you will relate it to the stem. Then does Mr. Mehraj need any assistance? Give logic to your answer. Present condition, Mr. Mehraj needs preserving assistance to continue his business, because at present time Mehraj need preserving assistance because there is he is facing some difficulties because of his competitors. The competitors are using high quality technology, and that's why sustaining in the business is very much difficult for him at present time. So we can say that when you want to sustain in your business, want to expand in your business, or want to continue the business effectively, you need preserving assistances. So Mr. Mehraj needs at present time preserving assistances to continue his business. Other besides the other business, preserving assistance also is very much important for the new businessman, and he this preserving assistance includes some points like assist a business modernization, business expansion, marketing help, extra finance for higher production, increasing the limits of loan and interest payment. Those are the preserving assistance for the businessman. Others are advice on industry expansion, setting up a place for providing facilities. So these are the preserving assistances. Then you will relate it to the stem, and just finish it with the conclusive line. Second creative question says Miss Saima Hawk used to perform challenging jobs from her childhood. She established a 100% export oriented modern factory name. She established a 100% export oriented factory named Saima Food Products in the Naranganj BC area after completion of her studies from university. She has taken financial and technical support from an institution. At present 300 people are working in her factory. Acha. Okay, what is the elaboration of BSIC? The elaboration of BSIC is Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation. Just try to make spelling the correct. Spelling, if you face a mistake in spelling, then I will cut the mark, whole mark, you will get the 0. So please try to correct the spelling of when you write down the full form of any organization. Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation. Then explain the main task of Directorate of Women Affairs. Directorate of Women Affairs provides various training and credit facilities to the women who are living in mainly villages, and they are prospect villages in creativity, self-employment, and empowerment. Basically, Directorate of Women Affairs is working for poor women, educated uneducated women in living in village, for and empowering them, trying them in making them interested into self-employment. So these are the main job for the Directorate of the Women Affairs, and they provide some training like poultry farming, cattle raising, handicrafts, boutique sewing, etc. Then number C, what government organization is engaged to support the entrepreneurs like Miss Saima? What government organization is engaged to support the entrepreneurs like Miss Saima? In last line, you can see she has taken financial and technical support from an institution. When you get the support of financial and technical perspective, then it is the you can say the government organization, the financial government organization named BDBL, Bangladesh Development Bank Limited. Then you will introduce BDBL in 2 or 3 lines. Like BDBL is the Bangladesh Development Bank Limited. It provides the financial and technical support to the government and private industries. And main task of BDBL is to extend the loan and provide advice to the entrepreneurs for rapid industrialization and to set up a new industry. So we can say that according to the STEM, Miss Saima Hawk has got the economic and technical support from BDBL in order to establish her industry named Saima Food Products, and it is also a state-owned commercial bank, so it provides financial help to the new entrepreneurs like Miss Saima Hawk. So we can say that what government organization is engaged to support, the BDBL is engaged to support the entrepreneurs like Miss Saima. Then evaluate the role played by Miss Saima for the overall economic development of the country. Role played by Saima, obviously, for economic development, entrepreneurs like Saima are playing a very much important role for economical development. And since the Bangladesh is a developing country, population problem is very much huge, unemployment problem is very much huge in our country. So if entrepreneurs like Miss Saima Hawk establishing new factories, that means it is creating great employment opportunities for the unemployed people, and also it is development the standard of living of the peoples. Also it helps the economical condition of the many people. So ultimately it is helping the economical condition of the country, and when these factories when profit is increasing, that means the Saima Hawk has to pay the tax to the government, and also government with the help of this tax money, government can develop the country's infrastructural sector. So we can say that entrepreneurs like Saima Hawk, Miss Saima, has a great role on the overall development of the country. So that is the answer of these exercise questions. Now I am giving you some extra questions. These are the board questions. Since you were attending the exam in 2021, so 17, 18, 19 board are very much important for you. So I am giving you from this from those boards. These questions are very much important, and these are the sample questions. That doesn't mean these questions are it will be enough for you to study these questions. you have to study more and more, and first of all you have to read out the text thoroughly. So okay, first stem, Mr. Arif is interested in doing something for himself rather than pursuing his job after finishing his studies. He was interested in business because of various public and private training, fairs and advertising related to business. Thinking about everything, he set up a fast food factory, but during the installation of the factory, there were some problems with the supply of raw materials and infrastructure. That's why he goes to nearby organization for help. The organization provides various facilities, including listing the name of the business firm. So that means Mr. Arif, Mr. Arif just established a fast food shop, but he faced some problems and taking help from the specific organization. It is very much. He get the facilities and he get the help. He get the help from the organization, and it was easy for to face the problems and to solve the problems. So first one is, what is the main function of Bangladesh Development Bank? The main function of Bangladesh Development Bank or Development Bank Limited. I just missed the limited. Limited. Okay. BDBL, the main function of BDBL is, since it is the 1 mark question, just write down BDBL is related to the main function of BDBL is to develop the industrial sector of the country. Then explain the activities of the government agency only to encourage women employment. The specific government organization which is related to the encouraging the women employment, that is Directorate of Women Affairs. That means these Directorate of Women Affairs, or these organizations mainly provide various training and credit facilities to the village rural women who are poor, who are educated or half educated or uneducated, for self-employment, for their empowerment. They provide training, for example, like poultry farming, cattle raising, handicrafts, boutique works and sewing. Those are the trainings so that is providing by the Directorate of Women Affairs. And number C, what kind of support did Mr. Arif receive in the initial stage? In initial stage, when he was attending the training, attending the fairs, and also advertising, getting help from the advertising. That means he is in initial stage, he is getting support, motivational support. That is the first part, motivational support. There are 3 types of support. You found motivating assistances. There are 3 types of assistances: motivating assistances, supporting assistances, and preserving assistances. So initial, we can say that in initial stage, Arif got the motivating assistances. There are different types of training, awareness of opportunities for investment, huge campaign of government support relating the establishing industry, technical and economical information about the business, and consultancy. Those are the example of motivating assistances. And we can say that Mr. Arif at initial stage got the motivating assistances. According to STEM, we can see he was interested in business because of various because he was attending the training, fairs, and advertising related to the business. So we can easily say that he got the motivating assistances so that he can start up the fast food business. Then evaluate the role of the organization in setting up Mr. Arif's business. That means he was getting help from organization when he was facing problems in installation of the factory. So that is that is a specific organization's name is Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation, or you can say it is in small, BSIC. BSIC was the organization which was helping Mr. Arif when he was facing the problems, raw material supply of raw materials and infrastructure. So BSIC, then you will write down some activities or functions of the BSIC and just related to the STEM, and that will be enough for chapter number 4 answers. Then number 2, Mr. Jaman has been working in a button manufacturing factory for a long time. Now he is thinking of setting up a factory, but he cannot continue to fear the obstacles. That means he wants to set up a factory, but fear is also here. So that's why he's not getting he's not strong enough to start the business. A bank official encouraged a bank officer, not official. Sorry, I just made mistake. A bank officer encouraged him and assured him that he would get the necessary help from the bank. Then which ministry does control the Small and Cottage Industries Corporation? Small and Cottage Industry Corporation works under the Ministry of Industry. What is the organization that is responsible for the Small Industry Development Program? Small and Cottage Industry Development Program, that is Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation, BSIC, is the responsible for the Small Industry Development Program. Then you will write the explanation, you will write some main functions of the BSIC in there, like BSIC has very much BSIC has the very much contribution to the small industry development in our country, and the main function of or main roles of BSIC are promoting or registering small business and cottage industry, promoting and registering the cottage small industries, conducting advisory and industrial promotion services, skill development programs, creating jobs for small and cottage industry, then construction and development of industrial estates. They help for them, online service for registration, developing the linkage between the small and cottage industry and large medium size industry. So those are the functions or those are the roles that small BSIC plays in development of small industry. Then what kind of help does Mr. Jaman need to be interested in setting up a button making factory? Obviously he needs the motivating assistance for developing or setting up the button making factory, because motivating the assistance, business, setting up a business is a creative job, and risk is very much high in setting up new job. So to reduce the risk, to get out of the fear, you need some motivating assistance, and Mr. Jaman has also need the motivating assistance, like different types of training, some opportunities, awareness of opportunities of investment, information about economical sector and technical sector, then consultation. These are the things Jaman has needed. Jaman just need for establishing the button factory. Then evaluate the role of the bank in setting up Jaman's button making factory. Obviously the bank has the very much important role in setting up a button making factory, because when you start a new business you need capital to start the business and also running the business. So new entrepreneurs need financial help to collect the capital, short-term capital, long-term capital from different sources, and these financial institutions are giving help to the entrepreneurs like Mr. Jaman. So we can say that easily the bank has the very much important role in setting up the Jaman's button making factory. You just follow the rules of writing the C and D number answers. This is the 3 parts. You have to maintain 3 parts. First one is in first line. In first line you just write down the answer of the question in just one line. Then just give some definition and related to the STEM. So this is the main rule of the writing down the C and D number answer. Number 3, Mr. Raihan, trained by the Directorate of Youth Development, identifies several projects like poultry farm, cattle farming, fish farming, and vegetable production in his village. He takes help from different financial institutions and private development organizations, and in a short time he reaches the pinnacle of success. That means he was enjoying the success. Many in the area start following him. That means Raihan just took help from the Directorate of Youth Development. That means he was getting training from the Directorate of Youth Development, and after getting the training, he identifies some projects to start, and took help from different financial institutions and private organizations, and after getting help, he just enjoyed the success in a very much short time. So that is the main theme of the STEM. What is the full form of BDBL, Bangladesh Development Bank Limited? What does tax holiday mean? Tax holiday, you will find that tax holiday, government, when government just when government take uh, okay, what does tax holiday mean? Tax holiday is the reduction of the tax or elimination of the tax, you can say that. So which is provided by the government when new entrepreneurs wants to establish a business, or new entrepreneurs take initiative to start a new business, set up a new farm. Then government can provide some facilities like tax holiday, which means that government give the facility of the reduction of the tax or eliminate the tax for for specific time period. Like you will see in your chapter in the chart that in Dhaka division, Dhaka and Chittagong division, government provide tax holiday for 5 years for the new entrepreneurs, and other division and the hill trucks division, those they are enjoying the 7 years tax holiday, which is provided by the government. That means government eliminate the tax for a specific time period, so that is called the tax holiday. Then explain the role of financial institutions in solving Mr. Raihan's financial problems. Obviously, to remove the financial problems, Raihan is supporting assistances from different financial institutions, and he also takes help from different financial institutions for, and that is taking help from financial institutions to solve the financial problem. That means it is the supporting assistance. And when you start a new business, you need capital, and you need the financial help, and these financial institutions provides capital, and it helps the new entrepreneurs to set up a business easily and run the business effectively. So according to the STEM, Raihan also takes help from the different financial institutions because he wanted to start different projects in his village. So it was necessary for him to take help from the different financial institutions, and not only for starting this different project, but also the financial help is needed for running those projects for a long period of time effectively. So the role of financial institutions is very much important for Raihan's financial problems, to solve the Raihan's financial problem. Then number D, analyze the role of the institutions behind Mr. Raihan's success. Yes, there are different type of institutions which is working behind the success of Mr. Raihan, like Directorate of Youth Development, different financial institutions, private development organizations. Those are the organization that is playing the role behind Mr. Raihan's success. There are some youth development or Directorate of Youth Development providing different training on different projects. Financial institution providing different financial helps, and private development organizations helps giving help by providing information about economical sectors. So these helps These healths are which is taken by Raihan, very much necessary for any entrepreneurs to start a new business and running the business effectively. So we can say that the role of the institutions, the role of these organizations is very much important for Mr. Raihan's success. So this is all for today, and these are the sample questions of chapter 10. I hope you won't face any problem. You can understand the question pattern of this chapter. So that's all for today. We'll talk in next class.